Hi everybody, my name is George Volker and I'm the service manager here at Continental Toyota, and I'm here to clear up any misconceptions that you may have about servicing your vehicle at our dealership. Myth number 1, pricing. Most of our customers are under the impression that dealerships charge more than local shops to service your vehicle. This is untrue. At Continental Toyota, we offer competitive and in most cases lower pricing than our local competition. Plus, you get the benefit of our factory-trained technicians working on your vehicle while using genuine Toyota parts. Myth number 2, we don't accept coupons. We definitely do accept coupons, and in most cases are competitor coupons. Myth number 3, dealership hours are inconvenient. We open earlier and close later than our competitors. Our hours are 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Friday and 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. every Saturday. Myth number 4, it's too far or I'll have to sit at the dealership all day. Our service department offers a comfortable, pet-friendly customer lounge as well as a children's play area. We also have a courtesy shuttle that can drop you off and pick you up from the train station, local shopping, or from the comforts of your home. Fun fact, anyone that buys a new Toyota vehicle receives a complimentary 2-year Toyota Care maintenance package. Toyota Care covers normal factory scheduled maintenance for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. Plus, 24-hour roadside assistance is also included for 2 years regardless of mileage. Please feel free to give us a call at 708-354-5800. We'll be happy to help you with any questions or concerns you may have. Come on in and experience a Continental difference today. Weekday, weekend.